All right, it's time for our yearly drinking around the world. What's up, Tugga? Tugga's got a nice fancy shirt, got all painted up for us for our trip around the world, where we eat and drink around the world showcase. Where are we starting at, Tugga?
Canada or Mexico?
Canada, Tugga. That's where we're starting. Right, Tugga. What is this? What is it, Tugga?
Mushroom risotto.
Mushroom risotto in Canada, Tugga. What's this drink here that you got me?
Wild hog raspberry ale or something like that.
Now, that's way too many words. We're just gonna drink it up. Oh,
I'm trying this.
that is nice, Tugga. Give it a swig.
Ooh, I actually like that.
Tugga, what are you doing? It's before noon. You're already drinking.
You too.
Tugga, there's no noon for me, Tugga. All right, Tugga, that was Canada. Where are you off to next?
The UK.
The UK. Give us a toot, Tugga.
Toot.
Is that it? That's all you got? Give us a toot.
Toot, toot.
Oh, Tugga, we're gonna work on that.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
Oi, Tugga, you got distracted by the mermaid. We went right by London.
There's no food there.
Oh,
I mean,
Tugga.
there is, but
Tugga said there's no festival food there.
food.
So we're headed on to France.
But I want something that's non-festival in France too.
Tugga.
I've been wanting it for a long time, okay?
All right, Tugga, we'll indulge you. Oi, Tugga, stop hogging the martini. Tugga, come in here and eat, drinking up all the martini before I even get any, Tugga. This is my show.
But it's good.
Oh, good, I got some foams on my mustache. Let's get them off right there. That is pretty good, Tugga. What do you think?
Yummy.
If it's good, give us a good toot.
Frozen French martini. Toot.
Toot, toot. All right, we're gonna head off to. That's all there was in France that we wanted to eat and drink. So we're gonna head off to where?
Over there somewhere to get a ice cream sandwich.
Ice cream? That's not on the festival. Dang it, Tugga. All right, Tugga, what is it you got for us there? What is that, Tugga?
It's a ice cream sandwich basically, but it's like on a brioche bun. It's called a croquet glace. We got it from what was Artisan de Glace.
Oh my gosh, Tugga, too many words. Give me a bite.
I don't know if I'm saying it right.
It keeps getting on my mustache. Thank you, Tugga. You're a good tugboat. That is pretty good, but it is not part of the Festival of the Arts, so this doesn't count. We did have a drink, though. Where are we off to next, Tugga? Come on, quickly.
Morocco.
Morocco, Tugga says with a full mouth. Hey, welcome back to more Eating Around the World with Russel, Crowe, and Tugga. Give us a toot, Tugga. You're drinking again? Good God, Tugga. Just drinking everywhere. What is that, Tugga?
Passion fruit daiquiri.
That looks delicious, Tugga. Give it here. Let me try it. That is delicious. What is this here, empanada? I already had a bite, Tugga. I couldn't wait. You started drinking and I started eating.
Chorizo and potato.
Give it a bite, Tugga. What do you think?
Oh.
Oh, Tugga, get that green stuff off your face.
It's really good.
It's really good. Well, I'm gonna let Tugga go ahead and finish that stuff off. But where are we going to next, Tugga? What's next on the agenda?
And I think it's Japan.
All right, we're going over to the Far East, Japan. All right, everybody, we're in Japan. How do you know we're in Japan? Check out the buildings. You can't be anywhere but Japan and have buildings that look like that. All right, Tugga went to get in line, he's getting us a drink and a snack here in Japan. All right, look, Tugga, again with the drinks right off the bat. What do you got there? Purple yuzu, Tugga, is that what that is?
It's like sake lemonade.
Sake lemonade, and we got this fancy sandwich. Now we've already started eating because we just couldn't wait. And it is delicious. It's a pork cutlet with coleslaw.
And rainbow bread.
And the bread is made of rainbows.
It's yummy.
How did they get those rainbows in there?
I don't know, but it's yummy.
All right, let's try this. Yep, still just as yummy as the first bite I took. Here, Tugga. Tugga, put a drink down. I'm gonna drink it up. Take that, Tugga. Oh, I got all the drink this time.
You drank it all.
I did, Tugga. It's all gone. All right, where are we off to next, Tugga?
Italy.
Ew. Tugga says we're off to Italy. Let's go, Tugga. Tugga, you've been drinking way too much. This is not Italy, Tugga. Where are we?
America. I always get mixed up when I drink.
Tugga's gonna have to slow down. Don't worry, I'll keep drinking for all of us. This fancy ale. We also got some duck and a meatloaf that's made with 3 different meats. What do you think, Tugga? Is it okay that we're in America, not Italy?
Sure. Because I don't think there's a booth in Italy this year. I didn't see it in the passport, so.
Just making excuses, aren't you, Tugga? Tugga, we were just getting ready to leave. What are you doing, Tugga?
I got a moonshine sour.
Moonshine, Tugga. First Tugga gets us lost and then has to get 2 drinks. 2 drinks in America. One just wasn't enough, was it, Tugga?
No.
Tugga fibbed to us. We did make it to Italy, as you can see from the Italian buildings, but there is food here, and Tugga said there wasn't. Mozzarella, raviolis, and all kinds of fun drinks. Oh, Tugga. Don't worry, Tugga's gonna make it up to us and get in line and get us something to eat and drink. All right, Tugga, what'd you get us? Crikey, Tugga, you already started eating.
We got mozzarella with all these different sauces. And then we got mushroom ravioli and an amaretto bellini from Italy.
I specifically asked for the amaretto. This one is not for Tugga, but Tugga said it's good.
It's yummy.
It's mine, though. I'm taking it, because we did make it to Italy. Somehow. I don't know how we did it, but we did. All right, that was Italy. Where are we off to now, Tugga?
Germany.
Germany, give us a toot.
Toot toot.
That's a little bit better, Tugga. Welcome back to more Eating Around the World, Russel, Crowe, and Tugga. Give us a toot.
Toot.
You just like to smile. You don't toot or nothing.
Sorry.
All right, Tugga. I take it you're bowing out of this one. You're feeling kind of full, huh? Poor little Tugga. Don't worry, Tugga will get us where we're going, and I'll continue to eat and drink. We've got this fancy cider and this awesome short rib. Oh, Tugga wants to taste it, does it, Tugga? Tugga wants to taste it?
Like one sip of the drink.
Okay, go ahead, Tugga. Get the sip of the drink. Don't spill it on my other stuff.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, Tugga
like
thinks
the
it's good.
ciders.
Yes, I know. Tugga likes the ciders. So that's what we're having in Germany, and then we are going to head to...
China.
Tugga's cheating! Tugga!
I'm tired.
It's China. China, Tugga. Come on, Tugga, keep up! We just gotta get going over to China, Tugga!
Coming.
Okay, good job, Tugga. Tugga, you said you were taking a break. What is that?
Oh, we've got the chewy boba.
Chewy boba. What is it, Tugga?
Like the tapioca. And, I don't remember what's in it, but
Tugga, what is it? What is it called?
Oh, a sea butterfly.
Oh, a fantastic Tugga.
Whoa.
Tugga got us some chicken dumpling things. We're gonna try them real quick, and then we gotta get over to Mexico, which is the last place on our list that has something to offer from the Arts Festival. All right, Tugga, you got us to our last stop. Where are we at, Tugga?
Mexico.
Mexico. What do you got there, Tugga? You gotta drink first. You always do.
It's a marshmallow margarita, and it's good.
A good marshmallow margarita, as opposed to a bad one. And what is, it tastes good. What is this here fancy thing? You couldn't pronounce it. It's Hurrasha de Championes. Yeah, you didn't know that old Russell Crowe could speak Spanish, did you, Tugger?
No.
Well, I've been taking lessons. Duolingo is my friend. Let's test this out here, shall we? All right, we got this here fancy margarita with the big puff balls of sugar on them. Oh, that's really sweet, Tugger. I feel like you American blokes really love your marshmallows. Get it, eat the marshmallow. Yum. Good job, Tugger. Well, that's it for Russell Crowe's Eating Around the World with Tugger. That's it for us today, guys. Go and hit us up on YouTube where you'll see an actual video without a bunch of Russell Crowe stuff on what we did while eating around the world.